Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. I'm super excited to announce to us that Chatgpt is back after a short while of break. In a few days, I discovered that the app wasn't been able to access the Chatgpt, the writing, AI writing area. But right now, you can see the Chatgpt area is up and running, so you can easily write an article with this AI bot. Man, the AI bot is super amazing. This AI bot can write a code for you, do a copywriting for you. So guys, for those of us that don't know about this app, it's a new AI, open source AI artificial intelligence bot that enables you to rephrase, paraphrase, write, do copywriting, do coding, and lots more. So guys, I'm going to show you a quick example to show you that this app is up and running again. You can see I click on new thread. Now let's just type something. Let's see if it will have something on land banking. Okay. So we have issue a command. Wow, you can see super exciting. Look at what the AI have generated. Let's try again and see what it's going to give us. So this app is still on the beta version of it. So they are still going to improve on this app to give it better quality. So let me copy this. Land banking is the practice of buying and holding undeveloped land with the intention of selling at a future date for a profit. The practice is controversial because some people believe it leads to speculation and artificial inflated land prices. You can see. Let me get different variation of this. It's an amazing tool. It's an amazing tool to try out. So in my next video, I'm going to do a detailed review on this app. But this particular video, I'm just doing it to show us that the AI bot is up and running again.